Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet an offset shell stitch. To begin, chain 42 or any multiple of 8 plus 2. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip 3 chains and make 9 double crochet stitches in the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Skip 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Skip 3 chains and make 9 double crochet in the next chain. 1, 2, 8, and 9. Skip 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Continue across the row. At the end, skip 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in the last chain. You can use the same color or change colors if you wish. Chain 3 and turn. Make 1 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1. Skip 3 chains and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1. In the previous row's single crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1. In the single crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 3 stitches. In the next 3 stitches, make 1 single crochet. Chain 1. Continue across the row. At the end, make 2 double crochet stitches in the last stitch. Chain 3 and turn. Make 4 double crochet stitches, all in that same space. 2, 3, and 4. Look at the 3 single crochet stitches. Make a single crochet in the middle or the second one. Then, make 9 double crochet stitches, all in that V stitch from the previous row. 8 and 9. Make 1 single crochet. Make 9 double crochet in the next V stitch. Then make a single crochet. Continue this across the row. At the end, make 5 double crochet stitches, all in that last stitch. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here's what it looks like. You can continue on with the same color or change colors. And chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 1. In that single crochet, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. chain 1. Skip 3 stitches and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And 3. Chain 1. Then do 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet, and chain 1. Skip 3 stitches and make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Chain 1. Continue this across the row. At the end, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And here's what it looks like. Chain 1. Now this row is going to be pretty much like row 1. Start with 1 single crochet, followed by 9 double crochet. 1, 8, and 9, and 1 single crochet in the middle. Continue this across the row. The next row will be like row 2, the next row like row 3, and so forth. And that's how I make the offset shell stitch pattern.